Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a quick video to show you how I fixed my toenails while I was on vacation. Most of you know that I don't have any toenails on my large toes for various reasons. I had a lot of ingrown toenails and painful, and then I hurt them and I decided, just take them off. And that's all you need to know about that. So I have a whole playlist of me reconstructing my toenails. The link to that will be up in the right hand corner. Follow the arrow if you'd like to see that. And whenever I go on vacation, I always take spare toenails, just the ones that you glue on with glue. And I did have some in my makeup case kit, but I was in Kmart looking around when I was on vacation in Key West, and I saw these boxed nail tips here, and they were only like $5, and there's so many sizes of the tips here and a little file and also some glue. So I thought, I'm gonna buy these and I'm gonna put these on and try to film it for you all. Now I'm using my phone, and so it's not perfect because I'm in the bathroom at the hotel. Not ideal lighting conditions or anything. But like I said, I did pay about $5 for the kit. And I also bought some cheap dollar nail polish that was natural to go with it. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you. And here I am in the bathroom at the hotel. And as you can see, my nail bed has another bruise on it, which is a blood blister from bumping it. I jet skied in my toenails and they didn't last through that. So I was just sizing up the nail tip. Now you can see I have the glue out and I'm ready to use it. And I did glue it on, which I didn't show you that process. I don't know why I forgot that. And then I just nipped off that little tip and I just file it. This is when you really need to fix your toenail quick. Those of you who don't have toenails on your large toes know exactly what I'm talking about and how I feel. So I have to have this fixed. I have to have it look nice because I'm going to be gone for 2 more weeks in this video. So I have to make sure my toes look nice. I have that glued on, and I was showing you the dollar polish that I bought at Kmart too. It's just a neutral color, and I paint my toenail and I do 2 coats of it on there. Again, not the best ideal lighting conditions or conditions to be doing my toenails in, and I kind of get polish everywhere, but this is a quick fix. And this toenail actually stayed on for 3 weeks. The other one stayed on. I didn't have to worry about it. It was just this one. And really that's it. That's all there is to this video. And I just wanted to show you the kit. I think it's a great kit, good price. If you have a Kmart around, you can pick one up. It has everything you need in it. And it was an easy fix, and I was pretty impressed that that glue held that tip on for 3 weeks. I have a video coming up of, my next toenail design, and you're going to see me talk about that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.